Hi, my name is Cinta Noufiana. Right now, I want to tell about the background of Aisma Optical. Aisma Optical is established of the optical shop located at Sungai Wang, Bukit Bintang. They are offering eyeglasses, contact lens, and professional eye care services. The shop is legally registered and operated by qualified optometry professional, led by Mr. Liu Hancha as manager and optometrist. They founded in 2017 through the business partnership. iSmart Optical started a small shop and since expanded double its original size, around 8 staff members. On 19 August 2025, iSmart Optical listed in the Malaysian Book of Record for achieving outstanding sales and performance, reflecting strong customer trust and consistent business success. Hi, so now I want to tell about the plans in downtime and optical shop using Ishikawa diagram. Ishikawa diagram is a sum of the fish diagram that mention all the problems that we can detect in these cases. Okay, so know this problem have a 6 divide, which is defects, transformation, services, inventory, marketing, and also human. So first is the defects. Defects in iSmart Optical, they face issue with the poor quality lens and frames. Some lenses and frame are cracked, cheap, and unusable, while cutting lens sometimes cause the prescription power to be not accurate, leading to incorrect measurement. Disease can affect it at the lens. Some lenses do not last long, and also they are not suitable for the Malaysian hot weather. Part of this problem is caused by the machine they are not well maintained, which affects the quality and precision of the lens cutting process. This is because the machine should be proper well maintained, because staff consider maintenance unimportant. In reality, these machines are critical, contribute to the business, and proper upkeep is essential to ensure smooth operation and maintain the quality lens and frame. Next defect is rotation. The iSmart Optical have several service challenges that affect customer satisfaction. Products stuck in custom in 30 days, especially for the international departure shipment, causing concern among the customer who are leaving Malaysia early. This issue have a significant negative impact on the both customer and the shop, as it also become difficult to track the whereabouts of the items. Second, there are risks of the product becoming damaged or broken during the transit. It is particularly when the delivery period is long, involved, and multiple handling points. Last is the shop occasionally encountered riders who are not trusty and honest, resulting in delays, missing items, or failure to deliver is not correct. This incident forced the shop to be replacement cost and get a negative effect at the shop, which is the feedback from the customer. Three problem is services. iSmart Optical faced many of services challenge affected by the customer satisfaction. At first, some staff are not dressed inappropriately. They are not following the SOP, which make customer feel uncomfortable and reduce your trust in this shop. The time required to prepare spectacles every day greatly is for 30 minutes for the single vision lens with the power maximum 200 for the cylinder, and the power maximum is 800. It's usually completed just for a short time. However, for the high power for the lenses and out of stock, customer have to wait around 2 working days. Moreover, for the multifocal lenses, typically usually take for 3 to 4 days. It's because they have to order the lens and cutting at the lab for having a good prescription and customer use it. Waiting times are always delayed, especially during weekends and public holiday. Due to the backlog of the order, customer may have to wait until 3 hours maximum. The compare that usually is 30 minutes regular days, and multifocal lenses also can be delayed until for 1 week. The another issue is advice given to customer are opposite, totally wrong and not relatable, which sometimes lead misunderstanding and dispute. While staff aim to back customer based on their needs, and advice may not help in this choosing the appropriate frames and lens to them. This need to be improved, as a customer are the backbone of the business. So if the staff do not know about the needs and wants of this customer, they cannot be sold to them their products. Next is inventory. iSmart Optical has inventory management challenges. The first shop is recorded by manually, which can lead discrepancies between the annual and monthly stock levels. Typically, the annual stock range for 30 to 40,000, but for monthly depending is fluctuate according to the current trends, resulting in excess frames and lenses when orders are low. Next, the shop does not have the exact time when the stock is run out. It is because it's crucial. When the lens order placed based on demand, the passive power lens must always be in the stock because it's a customer needs, but during the weekend or public, the hot power is always left often run out, preventing customer from getting their spectacles completed immediately. Last is the low demand order, such as lens with uncommon powers or specialized types. It's like shades and multifocal lenses. They are very expensive and have to be ordered in limited quantity. Then we have marketing. The iSmart Optical promoting their products primarily through the social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram. However, their promotion fails to generate the hype because they are posting content that looks like inadequate marketing. From the customer perspective, the marketing concept is very not appealing. They have a few old posts and often promotion with repetitively. Additionally, the shop rarely sells a very frame link. They are not following the trends and really updates their collection with the latest trend. Last but not least is the human. iSmart Optical faces the human skills that affect its daily operations. The staff members are demonstrate low performance, which result in sales targets are not being met. Their limited experience can lead to the errors, and connecting spectacle measurement causes longer service time and mistake in the product preparation. When lasers have a wrong prescription, customer may need to redo their spectacle, and the shop have to manage their losses. This lack of skills not only slow down the operations, unfortunately, some spectacle have issue because of the staff are not handling the professional. Based on the plan that we know about all the problems using the Ishikawa diagram, we use the Pareto chart to divide by 80-20 to know all these problems, the highest two in this. So there are such of typical several problems in this, and we know the marketing, you can see is 6%, human 10%, services 20%, inventory 9%, defects 11%, and transportation is 20%. Based on our calculation, we know the two highest of this problem is services and transportation. The other 20% is the unexpected factors out from our hand.
Hi, my name is Nurliyana Safirah. I will talk about do. Firstly, for defects, I will explain about the problem of poor quality for frame and lens. Purchasing managers should conduct more quality check for lens and frame to reduce product defects and also customer complaints. The estimated cost to cover this problem is around 1,000 to 4,000, and it will take 1 to 3 months if not take an action immediately. Second, for services, I will talk about dress inappropriately for staff. Manager can order full set uniform for the staff. It may take 1 month for supplier to complete the order. The total cost is 400 for 8% of staff. It will improve staff self-image and also their confidence to serve to the customer. Next, for the inventory, the problem is stock records by manually. Manager should hire a professional accountant to make sure inventory record more accurate in the future. To settle down the record, it may take 1 month, and the cost of hire accountants may be around 1,500 to 3,000. Then the problem for transportation is product stocks in custom. Operation manager and staff need to conduct import regulation compliance check for every order to make sure there are no additional costs. Usually, package will arrive late, especially when shipped to overseas. It may take 1 to 2 months, and the cost of estimated is 70 and above if using post laju shipping from Malaysia. Next, the problem for the marketing is inadequate marketing. Marketing manager should create contents on social media continuously, at least 3 to 4 times per week, and the cost around 200 to 500 every month. It helps to build iSmart Optical name and also increase customer trust. Lastly, the problem for human is low performance. Managers should implement training and development to the staff to improve their skills and also improve productivity. The program may take 1 to 3 months, and the cost to hire the professional advisor around 1,000 to 3,000. That's all.
Next, I will explain about the check phase. In this phase, the main objective is to evaluate the effectiveness of the action that have been implemented by using several key performance indicators. First, customer satisfaction level. This is evaluated through customer feedback forms with a target score of more than 4. A higher score indicates that customers are satisfied with the services provided. Second is social media engagement. This is measured by the number of views, likes, comments, shares, and new followers. A continuous increase shows that the digital marketing strategy is effective. Third is order cancellation percentage. Sales record a review monthly and target is less than 5%. This reflects efficient order and customer management. Fourth is frequency of machine breakdown. This is monitored through damage and maintenance records, and checks are conducted at least once a month to ensure a smooth operation. Fifth is human resources evaluation. Staff performance is assessed using a scale of 1 to 5 before and after training and development. The target score is at least 4.5, indicating improved staff competency. Lastly is accuracy of stock records and physical stock. A physical stock audit is conducted with a target accuracy of 95% and above to ensure proper inventory management. In conclusion, the check phase allows the organization to measure performance and identify weakness and provide a basic for continuous improvement. That's all. Thank
Our operational flowchart follows a structured path that begins immediately after the intervention implementation. To ensure we stay on course, we perform monthly monitoring of our performance indicators, followed by a rigorous pre-post data analysis to measure our actual impact. This leads us to a critical decision point. If our targets are successfully met, we proceed directly to the annual report. However, if we fall short, the intervention is adjusted and repeated to address the gaps. Ultimately, we conclude with a commitment to continuous improvement, ensuring our operation remains sustainable and effective long after the initial roll-up. To address our core operational challenge, we have developed a comprehensive set of long-term recommendations focused on quality, efficiency, and human capital. Starting with technical and logistical improvements, we will implement monthly machine inspections and usage audit to keep defects below 5% and service waiting times under 30 minutes, which will reduce repair costs and service cancellations while ensuring high product quality and customer satisfaction. We are also integrating power, business intelligence, analysis, and annual custom audits to optimize inventory and transportation, targeting over 95% accuracy and release rates to achieve 15% cost savings and increase customer trust. On the commercial side, we will monitor social media and annual promotions to drive a 20% increase in booth engagement and sales, building long-term brand loyalty despite higher initial promotion costs. Finally, focusing on our people, we will provide ongoing training and quarterly mentoring to reach a performance score above 4.0 and 90% attendance. This ensures that training costs are fully recovered through higher productivity, leading to greater staff confidence and reduced employee turnover.
In conclusion, the interview findings show that iSmart Optical faces several serious operational issues that affect product quality and customer satisfaction. One major problem is the lack of a clear standard operating procedure (SOP) for staff attire, which leads to uncertainty among employees and creates an professional working environment. Another critical issue is the long and inconsistent customer waiting time. Customers often wait for 2 to 3 hours for their orders, even though the process should take around 30 minutes. This delay reflects poor operational planning and low service efficiency, which damage the company's image and customer trust. Communication between staff and customer also need improvement. Employees should receive proper training in communication skills and service ethics to ensure polite and professional interactions. However, among all issues, service delays are the most critical because they directly affect daily operations and customer experience. Service delays cause customer dissatisfaction, order cancellation, and negative reviews, which can harm the company's reputation in the long term. Therefore, management must take immediate action by introducing a formal dress code, setting clear service timelines, and monitoring staff performance using performance indicators such as customer satisfaction ratings. Overall, while both transportation and service delivery are key operational issues, service-related problems require greater attention as they have more immediate impact on customer. Improving service quality will increase customer loyalty, enhance productivity, attract new customers through positive review, and support the long-term growth of iSmart Optical. Thank you.